My life completely sucks. Like really hard.
Oh yeah, why is that?
I went down and got myself a brand new computer from that large national computer retail store down the street.
Okay. So how does that make your life completely suck?
Well, I spent way more money than I would like to have spent. And the sales guy was so super magically fantastic. I was so caught up in the moment. And got a massive steaming pile of a computer.
I don't think your life sucks.
Really?
Just your choices suck. Really hard.
Really?
You totally should have gone down to In-Command Computers. They have great prices, they sell you exactly what you want. And the prices always fall within your budget. They actually know what they are doing. The guys at major retail stores are simply uneducated high school students looking to make a buck. They clearly do not know what they are doing. Ha 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 ha.
What is so funny?
You got owned by an uneducated high schooler. Next time just go to In-Command Computers.
In-Command Computers?
Yes. In-Command Computers. Those guys rule.
In-Command Computers,